Welcome to 682 Olive Conch St, Ruskin, Florida, a modern and well-maintained 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home located in the sought-after Shell Cove community. Built in 2021, this 1,504 square feet home sits on a spacious corner lot offering energy efficiency, a dedicated laundry room, a covered rear patio, and a prime location. Additional home features: open concept floor plan with abundant natural light, spacious kitchen with modern appliances and ample counter space, primary suite with a walk-in closet and private ensuite bathroom, 2 additional bedrooms ideal for family, guests, or a home office, central cooling, tile floors, and a stylish stucco/masonry exterior, attached 2-car garage, community amenities, resort-style pool and clubhouse, playground and dog park, walking trails and green spaces, family-friendly neighborhood with great amenities. Prime location located in South Hillsborough County, this home is just minutes from shopping, dining, top-rated schools, and major highways for an easy